Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADMS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Rough day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and a whole lot of volume throughout the course of the day. Although what makes this setup and chart very interesting going forward is that after the beatdown, the price finally did at least start to go sideways, and then even more importantly, started to show some signs of strength and began to work its way higher throughout the course of the day. Which brings about a very logical question, hey, is this the start of something bigger? This could very well just be a dead cat bounce where the price rolls back over. But the point here being that at least at this point in time, it's a logical thought to have, and it's a rational thought to have. Now, if the price was not bouncing at all, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this might be starting to turn around, you'd be totally justified to say, wait, what are you talking about? The price isn't showing any sorts of signs of strength, and you'd be right. But in this situation, the price is starting to work its way higher and higher. So it's does that mean it's a guarantee that this thing's going to continue to bounce higher? No, but it's at least a logical thought to have. That the price is showing some signs of strength here. So a very important level in my mind from a support standpoint going forward is right here at the $5 mark. Why is $5 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to kind of illustrate, where my mind's at here is if the price were to go down to 5 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing with the price at that point in time? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, let's say that the price came down here to 5, behaved like that, and then began to work its way higher and higher. What would you now have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. You want to see progress being made. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $5. What about levels of resistance? Initial level of resistance, just simply where this bounce stopped this afternoon, right up there at $5.35. If the price can push up through there, then the next key level up there at $5.60. But all in all, interesting scenario going forward. Yeah, there's no doubt about that. Today, in and of itself, a rough day, but you also have to give the bulls some credit from the afternoon where they finally leveled off the price and then started to bounce the price forward. So let's see if the price can build upon this momentum and push forward or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.